Foodoodler Fine Line Markers, set of 10. Our favorite part about the Foodoodler Fine Line Markers was the name. This is not to say that there are not other great things about this edible marker for cookies. In fact, there were several in our test kitchen who liked these markers the best. Foodoodler markers come in a set of 10 and include black, brown, red, light blue, navy blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, and pink. These food coloring markers are certified 100% kosher. The nibs on these markers are very fine, making them great for drawing details. However, they are so fine you may want to have a secondary set of markers for coloring in large areas. This means they would make a great addition if you choose to buy the Chefmaster Double-sided markers, as the colors complement each other well. We colored on a number of fondant-covered cookies with these markers and found their food coloring to be vibrant and to match the markers perfectly. They did not fade with time, nor did they leave any taste on the cookies. The biggest issue we had with this set of markers was that the colors can take a few hours to dry completely. Caution would recommend to ensure that you give yourself plenty of time to use these markers and for them to dry before packaging. Overall, we would say this is a good set of edible food coloring pens and worth giving a try if you need something colorful that is also great for detailed work. Here are some pros: kosher, vibrant. And here are some cons: long drying time, not double-sided.